Alright, finally. Kaiju Kid. Recording the Godzilla. Oh no, he's after us again. Dang, Godzilla. Oh man, you need to get your toenails. Whoa!
Oh, okay.
Oh, dude, you almost died. What the heck? Oh,
shake up the entire.
Holy smokes!
I like how every single car is colored.
Yeah, it's very bright. Oh shoot! I got concussion. Oh wow, you got close. Oh my butt! My butt! Oh, I jumped over it.
Drink choke soda.
Drink choke soda? Why would you name a soda choke? What is that? Oh, it's his hand. I thought that was his face. I thought the car hit his face and kind of like messed it up. Who? Oh man, he's mad. Like, get out of here, Sean. They told me to stay here. I don't know why. Oh, he blocked it. He got superpowers. We'll just jump it, bruh. No, you can't. Wow.
No, get out.
Oh, sorry, Dreadwood. This is us playing.
Just press start!
Oh, sorry, Dreadwood. We're doing this Godzilla fight.
Dude, these cars. You gotta stop them. Died.
Oh, we gotta replay this? Oh, man, there's no checkpoint? Alright, Kaiju Kid. Whatever. Yes, Godzilla's headed towards us again. I don't know why. We didn't do nothing. Hi, I'm Godzilla. Hi. Should have Godzilla with the Pacific Rim. Oh, dude, you died already?
Forget this level.
No, I'm not gonna restart. Yeah, I'll restart.
I think the next one's like, oh, never mind. You found another one.
Oh no, it's false alarm. Princess Leia's pregnant again. Like what? What? With Harrison Ford. Han Solo. Hey, like, you know, dude. Oh my god!
You know, they did heaven. Oh, you don't know.
Yeah, wow.
And somehow the baby's name was being born in Earth for some reason.
Oh, wow. Dude. Alright, I'm gonna do this without you. I'm gonna do this for the family name. Only you can't be revoked. You wanna drink some choke soda? Make sure you don't choke on it. You get it? This is called choke. Alright, see, I thought that was his face right there. Like his face got hit by a car. He got all jacked up. And it's all about that place, but I'm gonna show you how it's done. Since Kyle's not a pro gamer. Oh, see that? Oh, see that? Get past any of them. Oh, shoot! I should be playing, like playing a level, and people will jump in to play with her, and then she keeps dying, she just restarts it all over again. And everybody gets booted. And she doesn't even know that, so she's playing with them. I was sit there and watch. I want to watch, I go, whatever. Hope I don't lose any friends because of her.
Oh my gosh.
You almost died again. Dude, don't stand by the hood, bruh. Holy smokes, dude. Oh, I made it. Holy smokes, dude. Oh, this. Oh, dude, I almost died. Oh my goodness. Oh. Here's y'all about that place. Alright, last one. If I don't do it. Yeah, that's how we do it, man. Alright, fireman. Please stop the vehicle. Here comes before comes a vehicular homicide. Vehicular homicide.
But it is stuff though.
Sinbata. See, look at this jump. It's weak, dude. You can't even jump over the car.
Maybe you have to move back and jump.
Oh, yeah. You know what? You can't move forward and jump because you get like weak sauce jump. Yeah, the stupid cop is probably having a spawn. Where cop? Anyway, I'm going to Subway. This is a really smart idea. Holy smokes! Godzilla is like, he's mad. I don't know why you keep attacking Tokyo. Why don't you attack another country? Like Texas! That's from the movie. Remember that flying one?
This isn't Texas because
It's a joke, bro. Texas is not a country. It's a state. Yes. And Florida is an island. Now you know the whole secret. Oh, why you pick me up? Holy smokes, he's using me as a weapon. Who wants to use his nunchucks? Holy smokes. Please, Godzilla. What did I do? He's actually using. Oh, he uses it as a collie stick. He's using it as a collie stick. Dude, can I get out? Oh man, I'm so dead. Wow, that sounds awesome. He blew a hole.
What?
Can't get out!
Down now. Oh, no, he blew a hole. Yes, he blew a hole.
No, I blew a hole, dude. Here, try it. Kyle's not a good observer. Holy smokes, there's that. What does it call this one? Watch out for this claw. Why he just totally did not even notice you. Dude, there's tanks right
It's
there.
Bryan Cranston who just dies within like a minute.
Yeah, man. Oh, and there's the newscast. We're live from Ground Zero with a survivor. Let's get a comment. Hey, kid, come here. You just beat impossible odds and live. How do you feel?
How do you feel?
How do you feel? I do feel good. I think I pooped myself. See my, oh my goodness. That's about something everybody feels here. Back to you, Barbara. Oh, there's you. What the heck, man? You resurrected. Ah! You are epic. You is epic.
Hey, you guys.
Oh man, number one. I am number one. Going to shoot.